Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on. The app relies on both to find the ring. Once done, plug the ring into power and wait 30 to 60 seconds so it boots fully. Then open the Ring app and tap the specific device card you want to update. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. This prevents pairing errors. You're now in the right place to change the network details, so proceed to the device settings screen. You'll tap Device Settings, then General Settings, and choose Change Wi-Fi Network to begin. The app will prompt you to put the ring into setup mode, usually by pressing the button until the light flashes, so do that and watch for the indicator. Next, select the new Wi-Fi SSID from the list and type the password carefully. Case matters. Make sure you choose the 2.4 GHz network when possible, because Ring devices you finish by waiting for the app to confirm the change. Then verify Live View or trigger a motion alert to ensure connectivity. If the update fails, try moving the ring closer to the router and retry, or power cycle both the ring and your phone to clear transient issues. If problems persist, reset the ring's network settings and repeat the setup process as a last resort. Remember, incremental steps and patience solve most wireless hiccups, so try one fix at a time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.